Hello, carpet cleaning world. It's your boy, Roger Lloyd. And we are making money on Sunday. And today, we're using our good friend, the Rotovac Bonzer. Let's take a look at this thing. Oh, man. Oh, man. Look at that. Look at that. The Rotovac Bonzer. How's it feel, Bri? Feel okay?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Yeah, it's time to show you some of the toys. I know you guys like toys. I always talk about marketing, so I thought I would give you guys a break and let you see how we get down on Sunday. Now, as you can see, this is an empty house, very large house. Look down this hallway right here. Is this crazy? Let's just walk down this hallway. Oh my goodness. Look at this. That was master bedroom and loft. We're going down the hallway. We're still walking. This is another bedroom. And then we're getting ready to do this. And this is look at this closet. Large walk-in closet. And then they have some tile and grout. We're coming back tomorrow to do the tile and grout. When we're still walking. And we're still walking. This is another bedroom. And this is another bedroom. And here's the main bathroom. We're getting ready to do all this tile and grout tomorrow. Today we're doing the carpets. Let's get back to that Bonzer and see how Brian is doing. Let's get back to this Bonzer. Yeah, nice large home. And this is just the second floor. All right. The Rotovac Bonzer, everyone. It's a heck of a toy. It's a heck of a toy to have. I know everyone rips and raves about the zipper, but once you get used to this Bonzer, it does what you need it to do. Look at it, see? Nice, clean, efficient job. You see it's extracting very well. Look how that carpet's just brightening up with the BioClean Residential Pre-Spray. No problems at all. The Rotovac Bonzer. Coming back tomorrow, we're going to do all the tile and grout. And then we're going to do all the wood floors in the house. So this is about a $3,500 job. One house. One house. I guess my weekly totals are really going to be good if one house is already $3,500. But we won't go there. But because it's not about that. If I don't get them on the maintenance plan, what good is it? But if you look closely at this carpet, you'll see where we clean and where we haven't yet. Wow. The Rotovac Bonzer. Rotovac. You can get you one. Inbox me today. We can get you one of these Bonzers out. Say if you're using a standard one, this will be a treat to you. This will be a treat. Look how easy Brian is just gliding back and forth over the carpet. just gliding back and forth right over the carpet. All right. So the last thing I wanted to show you guys, this is the big master bedroom section. And then this is the tile and grout that I sold them once I got here. So we're doing the floors. We're doing the side tub tiles. And then they got another closet of carpet. We got 2 closets of carpet. Wow. And then this is the toilet, the bathroom area. So, this is a $3,500 house job. $3,500 house job. I gave him my Roger Lloyd residential folder. He just moved in. He was like, oh man, you do this? You do that? You shine up wood floors too? Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Oh, I want all that. Well, look, today, let's start off with the carpets. All right, sounds like a plan. Well, that's what we're doing. All right, everyone. I'm going to help Brian with these hoses and things. And you guys stay tuned. But if you want to get you one of these Bonzers, as you see, it cleans real nice. It really cleans really nice. Very easy to use. You don't see Brian all fatigued and tired. And he's getting the carpet clean. And if you guys haven't noticed, it's white carpet. So, like, what else is there to say? Just get it done, right? Right. All right. This is your boy, Roger Lloyd. Until the next one, join the Carpet Cleaning Room Elite so I can show you how to make $3,500 like I just did today. Come on. One house, $3,500. You can do it too. All right. I'll be talking to you.